All right, I am stoked. I just cut this open. This is from Bugwall. If you know, you know. And let me just say, I don't have a back bug screen on my van, but I'm going to. Let's take a look at this and see what I got in here. Oh, this is cool. They give some stickers. Stickers are cool. Love me some stickers. And a koozie. Thanks, guys. Apparently, this is step 1. We'll figure this out. I don't know what this means. And there you go. It says, thanks again, Charlie. Any questions, please reach out. Happy camping, Dutch. Oh, thanks for the note, Dutch. Appreciate that. Really cool. So let's see. It says, let's see. Installation instructions, videos can be found at. Very nice. Questions. And then email Dutch if I got a problem. I like that. So, yeah. That's pretty good. They did a great job packing it up. And let's check this thing out and see how this works. You ready? Let's get rid of these bugs in the van. I am all for it. Okay, now that we got our package open, we're gonna follow the steps. We're gonna learn exactly what we need to do to put up this bug wall. Are you ready? Step 1. So they gave us a koozie and it says step 1. So apparently you're supposed to put a drink in your koozie. So you know me, a little sweet tea goes a long way. Gotta love a good Southern girl and some sweet tea. Okay, step 2, always follow the directions. So I'm gonna take a look at this QR code, watch a video, look and see how I'm supposed to do this, and then open up the packaging. Gotta follow directions, right guys? Okay, so before you do this, you gotta clean up everything, make sure it's all ready. And you have to take all this stuff off because you're gonna need to adhere this to this as well. So we're gonna have to see how this works. Wish me luck. Okay, so I've called in for reinforcements. I've got my awesome son Noah who's gonna help me do this, and I got the clips. He's got the stuff. We watched the instructions, which is really important. And we're gonna do this together. So you get to watch all the fun and I'll speed it up and tell you how it goes in the process.
Here's that. All right.
All right, so what are we doing? We gotta take
the web stripping off.
just off a section there, not the whole thing, right? We gotta do the top
Top section.
and just the top section.
For now, we'll have to take off this side as well.
Yeah. So this is what the instructions said, is take off the first part of the weather stripping. And then we need to wipe down if there's any grease, right?
Yep.
Okay, I got paper towels. Here we go. So we're gonna wipe and clean it off because we're gonna do some stuff over here, which is good. I haven't told you guys lately, I love my kiddos. They're pretty awesome. Just saying. All right, we're gonna get that nice and clean and get the grease off as best as we can. Okay, so we've already come to our first problem, which really was not addressed in the video. So this one came with a place to hold your collapsible ladder, and as you can see, that's where it's supposed to be taped right there. So we probably either have to take it out, which I'm not a fan of. I guess we're gonna have to open the cabinet and see how that's actually attached, and see if it goes all the way through there.
Nope, it is not.
Which is not. So it's somehow maybe glued in there, maybe? I don't know. Gonna take that off and see what we get.
Boom.
Is it screwed? It's screwed in.
Yeah.
All right, so we can unscrew that. Okay. Whew. All right. All right, so we gotta unscrew this. It's like one awesome enhancement becomes another problem, and then we gotta figure out what to do next. That's okay. We'll get there. Now we're gonna come up with the idea of how we're gonna hold on to the ladder next time. we got it level. Now we got the Velcro done. Now we got to do the double-sided tape next, right?
Double-sided tape on the top.
Double-sided tape on the top. And what else?
After that, just.
And then we got to put the weather stripping back, right?
Yeah.
Fold it back in there. Easy peasy. Bug wall. Loving it. This is the hard part. So we gotta get the tape on, and then we've gotta make sure it goes up around one side and the other side. And now for the fun part, we got the tape off, and we're gonna add more of the wall. We're gonna get it glued. All right, so we did it. We did the bug wall. Actually, Noah did a lot of the work. I was a great assistant. I helped with some stuff, and I ordered it. Anyways, if you have trouble with bugs, like I have trouble with bugs, that's just one awesome way that you can keep the bugs out of your rig. Go to Bug Wall, check them out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Really like the product. Thanks, guys.